how's everybody doing? As you can see, my spirits are really high right now because tonight's going to be so exciting. My friends and I are going for the Nuit Blanche art exhibition. It's like an art crawl, and there are numerous artists and their artworks, their exhibitions, installations sprinkled all around Toronto City, and you can just like walk throughout the city the whole night and explore, and it's going to be amazing because I've been in Canada for the past 2 falls, and this exhibition, it takes place in the first week of fall, and I didn't go then, and tonight is the night. So the most exciting part about this exhibition is that it starts at 7 p.m. and then it goes on until 7 a.m. the next day. So it's like an all-nighter. So there'll be a lot of people. Like, I'm expecting a lot of people on the streets and a lot of good fun art exhibitions, installations, really cool pieces to look forward to. Super excited. So let's get ready for it. We need the LANEIGE lip mask. This, I don't know what it is, but when I didn't have this product, I used to think like, why is everybody talking so much about this product? And then now that I have it, I kind of know what they were talking about because it's utterly buttery. It's really hydrating. I don't know why and how I was sleeping on it, but thankfully not anymore. Tonight I am going back to my Givenchy Prisme Libre foundation because I think this is a work of art in itself, and since we are art enthusiasts for the night, what better way to start? It's got a beautiful finish, and I'm more of a finger painter, so if I'm not using like brushes or sponges, then that's usually not my typical style of applying makeup. I love using my hands and my fingers, and I like doing my makeup like very leisurely. I don't like to rush myself. I love taking my sweet time, and this technique works when I can have the liberty of sitting and chilling and doing my makeup like in no hurry. This foundation is really good. It's been a while, it's been a hot minute since I've used it. I hope the shade still matches me. I'm actually recording in such a dim light, all for the aesthetics, all for the fall vibes. Quite honestly, I don't use primers on a daily basis. That's why it's not in my routine, so I'm not habitual of going in with a primer. I basically do my skincare really well. I just apply a lot of moisturizer, and I think that's what works well with my skin. And I have never really had any issues so far with my makeup splitting or cracking. I think it just sits quite naturally on my face. Perfecto. I'm just gonna give it a good shake. And this product right here, the Lancôme Tint Idole Ultra Wear Concealer, it is so good because it's sheer in the sense when I apply it on, it's full coverage. It's not sheer in terms of coverage, but it's quite light and sheer in terms of texture. I hope you understand what I mean. I really don't need to be wearing makeup right now at night, especially when we are going to be on the streets for the whole night. But it's surely out of my own amusement that I'm making this video. I don't know if you guys have seen my previous makeup tutorials. Some of them are still on my channel, but I used to be you would know what I mean. Like, I used to wear makeup, a lot of makeup, and I used to make really aesthetic videos. I would plan for days. I would plan so sincerely. I would make props and I'll do the lighting setup. I think when I look back at my older videos, even though I did not do it for a very long time, but they're pretty damn good. If 5 years back, if I was making that kind of content, I feel they were pretty good. I'm so proud of my older content. It's just that I kind of failed being consistent. That's what I would say. If I had been, I think things would have been so much different today. But I have no regrets, quite honestly, because where I am right now today, I feel quite content. I feel quite fulfilled. That's why. But it's nice to see sometimes, like sometimes I just go down the memory lane. I just look at my older videos just to see what the younger me was doing, like 5 years back, 6 years back. Yeah. How gorgeous is this palette? Even though this was a summer collection, this is the NARS Ultimate Face Palette Volume 1. This was a summer edition palette, but it's giving me major fall vibes. Just look at the color palette inside, and I'm a fan of this product. We have a highlighter here, we have a deeper bronzer, then we have a contour shade, and we have something for the eyes. Very nice. Also, I need to change this brush. I really love EcoTools brushes, but this one has, it's seen better days. It's withering now. I can see the fibers just not wanting to live. You know what? I like doing this. I like doing contouring and bronzing because when you take pictures, all this makeup translates really nicely in the pictures, given that you've blended it really well. So I like it for the sake of pictures. So on days when I know I'm going to get photographed, I take this step very seriously. Otherwise, if I'm doing like everyday makeup, I sometimes skip doing this. I'm not the best poser, so I am really awkward with how to position my body. That's why I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone these days. My friend and I, we just go out together and we try to click each other's pictures, and we constantly encourage each other to pose. We give each other ideas how to pose and how to get photographed. Yeah, so I'm trying. I can pose with my face, so this part of me, sexy high fashion editorial faces, I can do that. But when it comes to my body, especially my hands, I never know what to do with my hands, where to keep them, if somebody's like a professional model or a really somebody whose pictures come out really well, please comment down below and let me know what do we do with the hands when we have to pose for pictures. So I'm gonna take this smaller brush. It's quite tapered and fluffy, and I'll be doing some contouring right here to create the illusion of a slimmer looking nose. I also have this Hoola bronzer. I completely forgot about it, and now that I've seen it, I want to go in with it. Let's do this NARS blush. I believe this is the shade Orgasm Rush, and it's a cream blush stick behind on the back of my hand. And I'm going to pick the product from here. By the way, a couple of my nails are like chipped and broken. That's because last weekend my friends and I, we went for bowling, and I had some beginner's luck or something, but I had some really great points. I'm just deepening my crease. I'm just going to wipe out everything into each other. And now I can go in with a brow pencil. I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. This is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. I think I'm ready to set my face with some powder. I haven't applied powder so far, so I'm going to do it now. Mercier powder. I am so happy with this powder. I have zero complaints, and I am also so happy with this travel size. With the sides of my nose, and then slowly make my way up. I am going to be lining my lips with this lip liner. It's from NARS. It's called LANEIGE. It's deep, and I think it goes with the reds and browns and pinks. The next thing I'm going to do is use this NYX Lip Lingerie XXL in the shade Caramello. This is a very nice buttery matte lipstick, and it smells so nice. It smells like a dessert. It smells so yummy. Looks nice, but I'm still going to blot some out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same blush that I used on my cheek, the same cream blush. I'm going to swirl into the blush, and then I'm going to I love this. It's almost like a 90s lip. You know what the supermodels were wearing? The frosty lipsticks. Yeah, I like this glam. Gloss or no gloss? I think no gloss. I'll carry a gloss with me just in case if I want to. Now quickly, let's finish the eyes. I am going to pop in some shimmer. Are you ready? Maybe add some mascara to my lower lash line. We need something in the... I think I want to use this gold eye pencil by NYX. It's called the NYX Light on Glide on Stay On and Define. So this is what my final look looks like. I'm pretty pleased. I feel like fall, and I'm so excited to head out now. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I'm sorry, but I just can't stop looking at myself in the mirror right there. So I'm just checking myself out. And yeah, I hope you guys like what you saw. It was not very educational. Like, this video was not very like how to use this, how to put that. It was just a chill get ready with me. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you very soon. Take care. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Bye.